These ideas will bless your home as well. Be willing to be where you're at and grow from there. 2025 has taught me so much about homemaking, as it seems every year does. Not just how to clean better or cook smarter, but how to slow down, find peace, and trust God in the process. So, I have 25 tips to share with you about things I have learned in 2025. And I hope these ideas will bless your home as well. Tip number one, a reset day changes everything. Having a simple reset day to get your home ready for the coming week is a game changer. Tip number two, simple routines stick. Complicated systems always tend to fall apart. Number three, a peaceful home starts before 9 a.m. Turns out morning routines are essential. Mornings set the tone for the whole day. Clean as you go is a spiritual discipline. Stewardship shows in small acts. Our home thrives on rhythm, not schedule. Flexibility brings peace. Tip number six, one load of laundry a day really does work. Number seven, you can't organize clutter. Declutter first and then beautify your home. Tip number eight, lighting a candle, turning on the diffuser, and starting some worship music changes the atmosphere of your home. Number nine, a 10-minute tidy beats waiting for motivation to clean the whole house. Tip number 10, it is okay to rest. You're not falling behind, you are restoring peace. Number 11, cooking from scratch does not have to be complicated. Master 5 basics and then build on that. The freezer and the crock pot are your best friends. Prepped food equals less stress. Tip 13, good tools matter. A sharp knife is better than 10 kitchen gadgets. Tip 14, whole foods stretch further than you'd think. A couple cups of rice and 5 pounds of chicken leg quarters can feed a crowd for fractions of what convenience foods or going out to eat would cost. Tip 15, making do grows gratitude. Learning to create from what you have is really enjoyable. Number 16, hospitality doesn't have to be fancy. Invite people over and enjoy their company, even when it's imperfect. Tip 17, peaceful homes start with peaceful hearts. Don't hesitate to stop and pray. Tip 18, you're not behind, you're being refined. Sometimes we feel like we're on the slow track in life or everyone else has figured it out and we haven't. It's not true. Be willing to be where you're at and grow from there. View homemaking as a ministry. Serving your family is serving the Lord, and serving the Lord this way is an important ministry. Tip number 20, your children will remember your tone more than your tasks. Tip 21, a home filled with laughter glorifies God too. Tip 22, sometimes a simple thank you, Lord, is enough. Being willing to be thankful in all things. Tip 23, comparison steals creativity. Your home doesn't have to look like hers or anyone else's. Tip 24, God cares about the little things. Yes, even the dishes. And tip 25, every undone task is an invitation to grace. Remember to rest in Jesus in your homemaking. Love your children, hold your loved ones tight, and enjoy the grace that the Lord has lavished on you. If 2025 has taught me anything, it is about resting in the Lord, enjoying God's peace, enjoying the people that He has given me in my life, and resting is trusting in Him. So here's to 2026, a year of slower rhythms, deeper joy, and homes that truly reflect His love. Comment one homemaking lesson you have learned this year and subscribe if you want to grow in faith filled homemaking with me. Hope your 2025 ends with so much grace and joy. And we look forward to what the Lord is doing in your home and family in 2026.